Hello. Listen to our patients what they have to say about their experience with Invisalign.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
That's great to hear. So you've got your Invisalign treatment done and we have a few questions that we want to know how your experience has been so far.
Sure.
So what made you go for this?
Well, I've had a very bad set of teeth from very young days, of course, and I think my mother did try and sort it out. It didn't happen, but as you grow older, I think the problems increase. Of course, it's not only about looking good, that was an additional benefit, but it was also to take care of the teeth, and that's why I decided to kind of give it a try.
That's nice. So now that it's done with, how did it go for you? How was the overall journey?
So it's been a long journey. I had a very poor set of teeth, so which is why it's been long. But I think the fact that many people didn't even realize that I'm wearing braces was the good part of it. Because every time I said I have to go to the dentist, they would ask, "Oh, you're having teeth problems?" I said, "No, I have braces." "Oh, we can't really make out." So yeah, I think it's some work, but yes, definitely, I think it's a good journey to have.
How did you manage when you go to the parties? Like, did you have problem because you had your Invisalign on?
No, actually it's quite simple because you can just remove it and keep it away and then put it back again soon after. Just ensuring the hygiene is maintained, I guess. So it's not a difficulty at all actually.
Yes, so maintaining hygiene is really important. Were there any challenges that you faced while using it?
Initially, I think when you're adjusting to it, it's a little bit of a pain, but then obviously you have to take some pain to get some gain out of it.
So,
I think just after the first few you get used to it and then it becomes comfortable. I think the only time when you're suffering from a cough and cold because the throat dries up a lot, that's when I would probably take it off, but otherwise always would have it on.
did you have any discomfort while using aligners?
As I said, initially the adjustment was there, but otherwise it was fine.
And how did you manage that discomfort? Like, what did you do so that you felt better?
So I think you have to keep getting used to it and you have to keep pushing the boundaries. So if it's really uncomfortable, you may take it off for some time and then again put it back on. But I think it's just about getting used to and adjusting over a period of time.
Yes, of course. So while you were on your journey with Invisalign, did you miss the junk food that otherwise you would indulge in, or was it like any other normal day?
It was like any other normal day. I don't think there was anything I had to do away with, yeah, except some things which anyways didn't suit me, like a pan maybe. I stopped having that completely and I don't miss it, so that's fine.
That's really great to hear. So what would be your advice to those who are still thinking whether they should get it done or not?
I think you should go for it, definitely.
Now that your treatment is done with, like how's the response of your family and friends? Do they see that there are changes and what do they say?
So I've got 2 grown daughters and I think they are my biggest critics, but the moment I smile they say, "Unbelievable, this is still you, mom." So I think that's the biggest compliment
That
I
really
get.
is the
But
biggest
thanks to my husband, actually he's the one who encouraged me to go for it even at this age.
Definitely. So at this point of the journey, did you think that Invisalign was expensive?
I think not anymore, because if I look back the time and the attention and the kind of care that the doctor has provided, and I think the company also makes sure that you get the desired results, I don't think it's an expensive proposition compared to the results you've got now.
Yes, of course. So your message to those who are still confused, go for it or no for it?
Absolutely, go for it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really pleasure having you.
Thank you.
So book your appointment today for Invisalign scan at Dontia Dental Care, Kolkata.